Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, in today's video, I want to talk to you about, it's been a lot of things going around about these layoffs, this and that. But I always have been an advocate of multiple streams of income. Because if you only have one, that's a very dangerous position. Because you can get sick, you can get hurt, or they can just let you go. And then you stressing because you probably don't have no money saved up. Because the average person is probably living payday to payday. So I tell people, if you don't have one, now is the time to get one. Don't try to buy your umbrellas when it starts raining outside. It's too late. So if you don't have one, look at the description down and probably on one of these links in the videos and just start something. You can do it part-time. Don't stress yourself out. And get you a backup plan. Because guess what? The company, they have their backup plan. So it's time for you to get yours. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And share the video out to somebody you know it'll help. Hey, this is Booker Williams. Y'all be great. Peace.